is grammar never finishes. Okay, there are always more rules, more tenses, more acceptations. Okay, and because of this, thinking people keep waiting and waiting, and they never actually start speaking. Now just think about how child learn a language. Do they learn grammar first? No, they start speaking with simple and even incorrect sentences. Like, uh, I could say, start a incorrect sentence like, I go to school, me want water, please, all these things. So you same as it is. If we really want to speak English, at that time we need to only one thing, and the thing is only speak. We have to speak anyhow, whether it is right English, whether it is wrong English. We should not from, we no need to afraid, we no need to fear. Okay, we should start only English anyhow. Some watch me if you really want to speak English. Okay, so that's a non, that is the natural process of learning any language, not in English. So why are you putting so much pressure on yourself to be perfect before you even begin? The real purpose of language is communication. Okay, it's not about showing perfect grammar, it's about expressing your thoughts clearly, even if your sentence is not 100% correct. If the other person understands you, then communication is successful. Doesn't matter whether you are speaking right and wrong, at least the person who is in front of you, he understands you, he and she understands you very well, that what are you trying to saying. Okay, for example, if you say, yesterday I go market. Okay, yes, of course, this sentence is grammatically incorrect. Okay, but the communication is right. At least the person who is in front of you, he understood very well that what are you trying to say. So here it say, now let me now tell me, now this time you need to perfect grammar or clear communication. Simple answer is really very simple. Communication. Okay, many people don't speak English not because they don't know words, because they are afraid, they have fear, they have nervousness, and they have lack of confidence. Because yes, of course, they are afraid to making mistake, they are afraid to being judged. That's, and they are keep overthinking all time, what happen if I make a mistake, people laugh at me, and all those things. You no need to think about all those things. Okay, and because of this fear, they choose to stay silent, they never speak. So you no need to fear. Okay, break your silence and start speaking. But let me tell you one more thing very clearly. Your silence is a bigger mistake than your wrong grammar. Okay, if you are making mistake in the grammar, then it's okay, but if you are silent, it's not okay. So please start speaking. When you make mistakes, and when you make mistakes, you improve, because we learn many things from our mistakes. So don't afraid from to making mistakes. But and but when you stay silent, nothing changes. कुछ भी change नहीं होने वाला है. Okay, so if you really want to improve your English, you have to start speaking, even if it's not perfect. Don't think about perfectness. Start with very simple sentences. Talk about your daily routine, your likes, your thoughts, your environment, your family, your friend. Speak just 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, and slowly your confidence. And when you start speaking 5 to 10 minutes daily, whether in front of mirror, whether in you alone, and see, your confidence automatically built. Okay, your grammar will also improve naturally. So you don't need to ignore grammar. And here, yes, of course, uh, you no need to also completely ignore the grammar. You need to learn only basic grammar. I have already told you that you need to only 20% of grammar for speaking English. Okay, so don't see it's a barrier. Okay, think the grammar as a support system. Always remember this. Don't wait to be perfect, because perfection is never come. Okay, so start to be better. Fluency does come from reading grammar rules and again. Fluency come with practicing, come with starting, come with courage, and come with like a shadowing practice. Okay, so yes, of course, if you are someone where you are waiting that you have to speak English, and you are waiting right time, when right time will come I will start speaking, and when I will learn some grammar, when I will learn something phrases, verbs, sentences, at that time I will speak. So you are wrong. Don't wait for perfect time. If you really want to speak English, just start speaking, whether it is right or wrong. Don't afraid to make mistake. You make mistake and see the way you will improve. Okay, and yes, of course, I will promise you, if you stay consistent, you will see a big change in yourself. So thank you so much for watching my channel, and yes, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and comment करना है आपको. I will start speaking today. See you. Okay, so see you in the next video. Thank you so much. Keep learning, keep speaking and keep smiling.